How to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Binance app on your device. Log into your account with your credentials. Tap Wallet tab located at bottom right corner, and by default you will be in the overview section. Simply, you have to Simply, you will see a spot option at top of the screen when you verify your identity, and it will display all cryptocurrency in your Binance account. You need to locate USDT from the list of assets and tap on it. You'll be taken to USDT spot balance page where you have to tap withdraw button, and then you need to choose internal transfer. Enter recipient details, and you have to specify amount and confirm the transfer. After that, your process will be completed. That is how we send USDT from Binance to Binance. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.